I would like to show how to get every point on the unit circle that you'll ever need in trigonometry just from two basic triangles. One of the triangles is 45-degree triangle, so that means it's isosceles, meaning it has the same sides, and its hypotenuse is 1 because you're on the unit circle, and its sides must be equal, so from Pythagoras theorem you get that each side is 1 over square root of 2. Likewise, the other triangle is the triangle 60, 30, and 90 degrees. The hypotenuse is 1, the sides must be half, and the third side you get from Pythagoras being a square root of 3 over 2. So those two triangles are the triangles that correspond to the angle of 60 degrees, so pi over 3, and therefore coordinates of this point that corresponds to the angle of pi over 3 is 60 degrees, will be 1/2 here and square root of 3 over 2 in the vertical direction, so in the y coordinate. Likewise, the point corresponding to 45 degrees, which is pi over 4, has coordinates 1 over square root of 2 and 1 over square root of 2. Okay, so starting from these 2 points, we can find anything that's of interest to us in this course. For example, if you mirror a point pi over 3 in the x-axis, you're getting an angle of 120 degrees because you have 30 degrees here and you have 30 degrees here. So this is pi of 120 degrees, or I'm sorry, not pi, p of 2 pi over 3. That's 120 degrees. And what are the coordinates of this point? Well, you have mirrored image. You're mirroring this point 1 over 2, comma square root of 3 over 2. So the x-coordinate will flip to a negative and the y-coordinate stays the same. So the coordinates are negative 1/2 and square root of 3 over 2. Another important point is when you mirror this point in the 45-degree line. So when you mirror in the 45-degree line, you are basically taking this point here, which is 30-degree angle, so pi over 6. Why is it 30-degree angle? Because this angle here is 15 degrees, and therefore this angle is 15 degrees, and therefore this angle is 30 degrees. So p of pi over 6, you're mirroring in y equals x. So just like in inverse functions, what you have to do to mirror is switch x and y. So switching x and y produces square root of 3 over 2, comma 1/2. Now if you mirror that point in the x-axis, you're gonna get angle of negative 30 degrees or 330 degrees. So this angle here is so starting from the initial ray being x-axis going to the terminal ray makes this angle being 330 degrees, and that ends up being in pi over 6, this is 5 pi over 6, and you are keeping the x-coordinate the same, so square root of 3 over 2, and then you're mirror imaging. The y-coordinate becomes the opposite, so this is negative 1/2. And just keep doing mirroring until you reach whatever you are after.